In the pursuit of maximizing muscle growth and performance, many individuals turn to supplements to enhance their results. Among these, creatine stands out as a widely researched and acclaimed option. Creatine, a naturally occurring compound in the body, plays a crucial role in energy production during intense exercise. This article delves into the science behind why incorporating creatine supplementation into your fitness regimen can be beneficial. By examining its mechanisms of action, backed by scientific evidence, we aim to provide a clear understanding of why you need to consider adding creatine to your muscle-building arsenal. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive limited time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Let's start by understanding creatine. Creatine is not just another supplement. It's a powerhouse for muscle energy. Found naturally in the body, primarily in skeletal muscles, creatine plays a vital role in supplying energy during high-intensity activities like weightlifting or sprinting. Think of it as your body's energy reserve. When you need a burst of power, creatine steps in to deliver. When you lift weights or engage in explosive movements, your muscles rely on a molecule called adenosine triphosphate, ATP, for energy. Here's where creatine swoops in. It helps regenerate ATP, allowing you to sustain those intense efforts for longer periods. In simpler terms, creatine serves as a fuel source for your muscles, enabling you to push through those last few reps or sprint that extra distance. But wait, there's more to creatine's magic. Not only does it amp up your energy levels, but it also contributes to muscle growth. How? Well, creatine enhances the production of proteins involved in muscle repair and growth, promoting muscle hypertrophy, the fancy term for muscle growth. Now, you might wonder where you can get creatine besides supplements. While our bodies produce some creatine naturally, it's also found in foods like red meat and fish. However, it's challenging to consume enough through diet alone, especially if you're aiming to maximize its benefits for muscle growth and performance. That's where supplementation comes into play, offering a convenient and effective way to ensure you're getting enough creatine to support your fitness goals. In summary, creatine is like the superhero of muscle supplements, providing the energy boost you need to crush your workouts while also fueling muscle growth. It's time to tap into the power of creatine and take your gains to the next level. Here are some scientific evidence supporting creatine supplementation. You might be wondering, does creatine really live up to the hype? The answer lies in the mountains of scientific research backing its effectiveness. Countless studies have demonstrated the muscle-boosting prowess of creatine, making it one of the most extensively researched supplements in the realm of sports nutrition. Let's dive into the science. Meta-analyses and systematic reviews, which analyze data from multiple studies, consistently show that creatine supplementation leads to significant gains in muscle mass and strength. These findings aren't just based on a handful of studies, they're the result of pooling data from numerous well-designed trials, adding weight to the evidence supporting creatine's muscle-building benefits. But how does creatine work its magic? One key mechanism is its ability to increase the water content within muscle cells, a process known as cell hydration or volumization. This enhanced hydration not only contributes to the pumped feeling you might experience during workouts, but also creates an environment conducive to muscle growth. Moreover, creatine plays a crucial role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis, the process by which your muscles build new proteins and grow stronger. By boosting protein synthesis, creatine helps repair and rebuild muscle fibers damaged during exercise, leading to greater gains in muscle mass over time. It's important to note that the effectiveness of creatine isn't just limited to elite athletes. Studies have shown benefits across various populations, including recreational gym goers, older adults, and even individuals with certain medical conditions. In essence, the scientific evidence overwhelmingly supports the use of creatine supplementation as a safe and effective strategy for enhancing muscle growth and strength. So, if you're looking to take your workouts to the next level, creatine might just be the missing piece of the puzzle. Next, here are some benefits beyond muscle growth. Creatine isn't just about bulking up. It offers a plethora of additional perks that can supercharge your fitness journey in more ways than one. First and foremost, creatine has been shown to improve exercise performance across a variety of activities, from weightlifting to sprinting. By enhancing your muscles' ability to generate energy, creatine allows you to push harder and perform at a higher intensity for longer durations. This means more reps, more sets, and ultimately better results from your workouts. But wait, there's more. Creatine isn't just for the body, it's also good for the brain. Research suggests that creatine supplementation may have cognitive benefits, including improved memory and mental clarity. While the exact mechanisms behind these effects are still being explored, it's clear that creatine does more than just build muscle, it boosts brain power too. Another lesser-known benefit of creatine is its role in promoting faster recovery. By reducing muscle damage and inflammation post-exercise, creatine helps speed up the recovery process, allowing you to bounce back quicker and hit the gym with renewed vigor. Now let's address the elephant in the room: water retention. Yes, it's true that creatine can cause some initial water retention in the muscles, leading to a slight increase in body weight. However, this temporary side effect is not only harmless but actually beneficial in the long run, as it contributes to muscle fullness and hydration. In summary, creatine offers a multitude of benefits beyond just muscle growth. From improved exercise performance to enhanced cognitive function and faster recovery, creatine is a true powerhouse supplement that can take your fitness game to new heights. So, if you're looking to maximize your gains and unlock your full potential, creatine might just be the secret weapon you've been searching for. Here are some practical considerations for creatine use. Now that you're convinced of the benefits of creatine, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how to incorporate it into your fitness routine for optimal results. First things first, dosage matters. While individual needs may vary, a common recommendation is to start with a loading phase of around 20 grams per day, split into 4 doses for 5-7 days. After the loading phase, a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams per day is typically sufficient to keep your creatine stores topped up. Timing is also key. Many experts recommend taking creatine post-workout, as this is when your muscles are most receptive to absorbing nutrients. However, the exact timing isn't set in stone, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. When it comes to choosing a creatine supplement, there are several options available, including creatine monohydrate, creatine hydrochloride, and buffered creatine. While creatine monohydrate is the most well-researched and cost-effective option, some individuals may prefer alternative forms for reasons such as taste or digestive issues. Consistency is key when it comes to creatine supplementation. Unlike some supplements that provide immediate effects, creatine works best when taken consistently over time. So, make sure to stick to your dosing regimen and incorporate creatine into your daily routine for maximum benefits. Lastly, it's essential to stay hydrated while taking creatine. Since creatine increases water retention in the muscles, adequate hydration is crucial to support its effects and prevent dehydration. By following these practical tips, you can ensure that you're getting the most out of your creatine supplementation and maximizing your gains in the gym. So go ahead, give creatine a try and watch as your muscles grow stronger and your performance reaches new heights. Here are some risks and side effects that you need to be aware of. While creatine is generally considered safe for most people when used as directed, it's essential to be aware of potential risks and side effects. One common concern is dehydration. Since creatine draws water into the muscles, it's crucial to drink plenty of fluids to prevent dehydration, especially during intense workouts or in hot weather. Some individuals may also experience gastrointestinal discomfort, such as bloating or diarrhea, particularly when starting creatine supplementation or taking high doses. To minimize these side effects, start with a lower dose and gradually increase it over time, and consider splitting your doses throughout the day. Additionally, there's been speculation about potential long-term effects of creatine supplementation on kidney and liver function. However, numerous studies have debunked these concerns, showing no adverse effects on kidney or liver health in healthy individuals. As with any supplement, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting creatine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medication. In summary, while creatine offers numerous benefits for muscle growth and performance, it's essential to be mindful of potential risks and side effects. By following dosing recommendations, staying hydrated, and listening to your body, you can safely incorporate creatine into your fitness regimen and reap its rewards. In conclusion, the science is clear. Creatine supplementation is a powerful tool for enhancing muscle growth, performance, and overall athletic prowess. With its well-established benefits backed by scientific research, creatine has earned its place as a staple supplement in the fitness world. From increasing muscle strength and size to improving exercise performance and even boosting cognitive function, creatine offers a multitude of advantages that can help you reach your fitness goals faster and more effectively. So, if you're serious about maximizing your gains and taking your workouts to the next level, it's time to consider adding creatine to your supplement regimen. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right dosage and form for your needs, and don't forget to stay hydrated and listen to your body along the way. With creatine by your side, you'll be primed to unleash your full potential in the gym and beyond. So what are you waiting for? Take the leap and harness the power of creatine to transform your physique and elevate your performance like never before. Your muscles will thank you for it.